Okay, real talk. I once tried to flirt in German and I accidentally told a woman she had a nice weather. Nettes Wetter. She just walked away.
Oh, nine, Max. That is a tragedy. But honestly, this is exactly why most people freeze up the moment they like someone in German.
Right? My brain knows the words for ordering bread, but the second a cute person smiles at me, all my German just leaves the building.
And here's the secret nobody tells you. Flirting in German is not about fancy words. It's about a few small, warm sentences that you can actually remember under pressure.
Small and warm. Okay, I can do small and warm, as long as I don't mention the weather again.
By the end of this episode, you will be able to compliment someone, invite them for a coffee, ask for their number, and even turn someone down politely. Alles auf Deutsch.
Wait, even the rejection part? That feels very advanced.
It's important, trust me. Bereit? Ready? Bereit. Los geht's. Here we go. So here's the mindset shift first. Germans can seem a little reserved at the start, but that's not coldness. It's just that they warm up slowly, like a good oven.
A good oven. I love that you compare dating to baking.
It fits. You don't need big drama. You need to be genuine and a little bit brave. One honest sentence beats 10 clever ones.
Okay, so I don't have to be smooth, I just have to be real. That actually takes the pressure off.
Exactly. Now let's start with the most German word of all, sympathisch.
Sympathisch. That sounds like sympathetic, so I'm telling them I feel sorry for them?
Nine. This is the big trap. Sympathisch is not mean sympathetic. It means likable, someone you instantly click with.
Oh, so it's a compliment, not pity. Good to know before I ruin another date.
So you say, Ich finde dich sympathisch. That means, I find you likable. It's warm, but not too much. Perfect for early flirting.
Ich finde dich sympathisch. I find you likable. That feels easy to say without blushing too hard.
And then a classic compliment. Du hast ein schönes Lächeln. That means you have a beautiful smile.
Du hast ein schönes Lächeln. Okay, that's genuinely sweet. Way better than nice weather.
Much better. And notice the word schönes, beautiful. You can use schön for many things, a smile, a voice, an evening.
Du hast ein schönes Lächeln. I'm saying it twice because I actually want to remember this one.
Zusammenfassung. Sympathisch means likable, not sympathetic. Ich finde dich sympathisch, I find you likable. And du hast ein schönes Lächeln, you have a beautiful smile.
Got it. Compliment first, weather never. What's next?
Now we make a move. The gentle invitation. The casual one is, Hast du Lust auf einen Kaffee?
Hast du Lust auf einen Kaffee? And what does Lust mean here? Because in English, that word sounds a little spicy.
No spice. Hast du Lust means, do you feel like it or do you fancy it? So, Hast du Lust auf einen Kaffee means, do you fancy a coffee?
Oh, that's so useful. Hast du Lust auf einen Kaffee? Do you fancy a coffee? Low pressure, very cute.
Genau. That means exactly. And if you want something a bit more evening and romantic, you say, Darf ich dich auf einen Drink einladen?
Darf ich dich auf einen Drink einladen? Okay, walk me through that one. It has a lot going on.
Darf ich means may I. Einladen means to invite and also to treat, to pay. So it's may I invite you for a drink? Very charming and polite.
Darf ich dich auf einen Drink einladen? May I invite you for a drink? I feel fancy just saying it.
And a softer, no-pressure version for a future plan. Wollen wir uns mal treffen?
Wollen wir uns mal treffen? And that means...
It means, shall we meet up sometime? The little word mal makes it relaxed, like no rush, just sometime.
Wollen wir uns mal treffen? Shall we meet up sometime? I like that it does not sound desperate.
Zusammenfassung. Hast du Lust auf einen Kaffee? Do you fancy a coffee? Darf ich dich auf einen Drink einladen? May I invite you for a drink? Wollen wir uns mal treffen? Shall we meet up sometime?
3 levels of invitation. Coffee, drink, and the chill sometime. I am collecting them all.
Now, an important cultural thing, the du and sie thing in dating.
Oh, right, the formal you versus the casual you. This always scares me. When do I switch?
Sie is the formal you for strangers and respect. Du is the casual, friendly you. In flirting, you usually switch to du pretty fast.
So if I'm flirting and still using Z, I sound like I'm interviewing them for a job.
A little bit, yes. With younger people in a bar or on an app, du is normal right away. It already feels warmer and closer.
So all those sentences with dich, like ich finde dich sympathisch, those are already the casual do. Nice, I'm ahead.
Exactly. You're already flirting in du. And if you're unsure with someone a bit older, you can politely ask, wollen wir uns duzen?
Wollen wir uns duzen? Meaning, shall we use the casual do with each other? That is adorable, asking permission to be close.
Zusammenfassung. Sie is formal, du is casual, and flirting switch to do quickly. And wollen wir uns duzen means shall we use do with each other.
Okay, so flirting equals do almost always. My job interview voice can stay home.
Now, the brave part, asking the real questions. First, bist du single?
Bist du single? Oh, that one I can guess. Are you single? And single is just the English word?
Yes, Germans borrowed single directly. Bist du single? Are you single? Simple, direct, and very useful before you get your hopes up.
Bist du single? Are you single? Saving me from a lot of heartbreak with one short sentence.
And then the big one. Gibst du mir deine Nummer?
Gibst du mir deine Nummer? Let me guess. Will you give me your number?
Perfect. Gibst du mir means will you give me, deine Nummer is your number. So, will you give me your number?
Gibst du mir deine Nummer? I'm writing this on my hand for emergencies. This is the goal of the whole episode.
And to keep a nice evening going, a light little line. Sollen wir Schluss machen für heute und morgen weiter?
That's a long one. What is it saying?
It means, shall we call it a day and continue tomorrow? Schluss machen here means to stop for now. It's playful. It says, I want to see you again.
Sollen wir Schluss machen für heute und morgen weiter? Okay, that's smooth. It ends the night but opens the door.
But Max, sometimes there is no spark, so you also need the kind letdown. Ich glaube, wir passen nicht zusammen.
Ich glaube, wir passen nicht zusammen. And gently translate that because I want to be nice about it.
It means, I think we're not a match. Passen zusammen means to fit together. It's honest but soft, no drama, no insults.
Ich glaube, wir passen nicht zusammen. I think we're not a match. Kind, clear, and respectful. I appreciate that.
Zusammenfassung. Bist du single? Are you single? Gibst du mir deine Nummer? Will you give me your number? And ich glaube, wir passen nicht zusammen. I think we're not a match.
From hello to number or to a gentle goodbye, I officially have a full toolkit now.
You do. So let's test it. Speed round, Max. Are you ready?
Ready. Hit me with the love questions.
Number 1. How do you say, do you fancy a coffee?
Hast du Lust auf einen Kaffee?
Sehr gut. Number 2. How do you tell someone, I find you likable?
Ich finde dich sympathisch. And I now know that's a compliment, not pity.
Exactly right. Number 3. How do you ask for someone's number?
Gibst du mir deine Nummer? The whole reason I showed up tonight.
Perfect. And last one, how do you say you have a beautiful smile?
Du hast ein schönes Lächeln. No weather involved. I am healed.
Bravo, Max. You went from nice weather to a real German flirt. I am proud of you.
So today I learned sympathisch means likable. Hast du Lust auf einen Kaffee for a coffee? Gibst du mir deine Nummer for the number? And how to let someone down nicely.
And here is the trick that makes it stick. Do not try to use all of these at once. Pick one phrase and actually use it today.
One thing today. That is where it sticks. Even just texting a friend, du hast ein schönes Lächeln, to practice.
Exactly. And to you watching, tell us in the comments, which phrase would you actually be brave enough to use? We want to know. And do not worry about sounding perfect. Just try. A warm, slightly wrong sentence beats a perfect silent one every single time.
And next time, we're going beyond flirting. Anna's teaching us German small talk, how to chat with anyone and make friends.
Which is honestly where real connections start. You'll love it.
Bis zum nächsten Mal.
Tschüss!